Hello students, welcome to the digital classes of Christchurch Convent Gadawara. I am Deepak Kaurab, your English teacher. Today we will do the exercises of your grammar book, PC Ren's grammar book of class 7th. Okay, so open your chapter number 4 and the name of this chapter is articles. Soon you will get a video, a explanation video on this topic, articles. So let us do some exercises that are given in your English grammar book, and also I will try to cover the explanation here only. Okay, so let's start. Your exercise first is fill in the blanks with a, an, or the as may be suitable. Okay, so you have to use a correct article in the given blanks. Okay, first, copper is dash useful metal. As you can see here in useful, first alphabet is U, and which is vowel, and it's a vowel. So as we know that N comes with vowel. Okay, but in this case useful, if you pronounce useful, we see that in that particular pronunciation first alphabet sounds like Y. Useful, U, Y, it sounds like Y. So that's why we filled a in that blank. Okay, copper is a useful metal. Then second one, he is not dishonorable man. So here in this case H is silent, and if we pronounce it, it will sounds like honorable O, and O is a vowel. Okay, that's why we have to put N in the blanks, because it sounds like O, honorable. That's why we have to put N in the blanks, given blank. Now third one, honest man speak dash truth. Here truth is an abstract noun, a specific abstract noun, so you have to use the with it. Honest man speak the truth. Now fourth, do you see dash blue sky? Here blue sky is a particular noun. Blue sky is a particular noun. That's why for particular nouns we have to use the. That's why we filled the in the blank, so it become do you see the blue sky. Then fifth one, Banaras is dash holy city. Banaras is dash holy city. So in this sentence, as we know, the is used as the definite article with a particular noun. I repeat, as we know, the is used as the definite article with a particular noun. But in this sentence, we are talking about Banaras as a city out of many holy cities. That's why A is correct answer. Okay. Now sixth one, he returned after dash hour. Here it is when we pronounce it so it sounds like o. The first alphabet of a pronounced word sounds like o. That's why we have to fill an in the blank. Then seventh one, dash school will shortly close for the puja holidays. We will not use a school. Okay, we will not fill a in the blank because it is not showing possession. That's why the is the correct answer. The school will shortly close for the puja holidays because it's a definite particular noun. Now next, eighth one, yesterday dash European called at my office. As we can see in that European, e is a boil. Okay, e is a boil, but if we pronounce it, it will the pronounced first alphabet sounds like y. Europe, you, y, you. Okay, it sounds like y. So that's why we have to fill a in the blank. Yesterday a European called at my office. The guide knows dash way. Okay, the guide knows dash way. Here way is a common noun. Here way is a common noun. That's why we have to fill the in the blank. Now 10th one, Sri Lanka is dash island. So here that particular word's first alphabet is I and it is sounding like I only. That's why we have to fill an in the blanks. So it will become Sri Lanka is an island. Now let's start exercise second. Insert articles where necessary. While there is life, there is hope. I repeat, while there is life, there is hope. There is no necessity to fill any article in this sentence. Second one, sun rises in east. So you have to fill the sun, the east, because sun and east is a particular noun, definite particular noun. That's why we have to use the. Then third one, the brave soldier lost arm in battle. Here arm is here in arm first alphabet a is a vowel and it is also sounding like a vowel. That's why we have to use an with arm. Then fourth, the doctor says it is hopeless case. So here the doctor says it is a hopeless case. Okay, it's a abstract noun, hopeless. Okay, so here we have to use a. I like to live in open air. So there is no need to fill any article in this sentence. If you want to fill any article in this sentence, so you can make it like I like to live in the open air. Okay, then sixth one, get pound of sugar from nearest grocer. So get a pound of sugar from nearest grocer. Then seventh one, set back clock, it is or too fast. Set back the clock, it is an hour too fast. Then last one, you must take care. So there also there is no need to fill any article. So this is the end of your chapter. I hope you understood the aspects of articles. Thank you.